Hello, I'd like to wish you a very warm welcome to this course. And I'd like to tell you why I think I'm a credible instructor. And that is that I have the ability to attain a breathless state of meditation, which is to meditate and go into a state of deep meditation where my breath stops for up to 30 minutes. And this is an ability of a meditation master. It is written and talked about. And there are other reasons, but I'll just share that one. And what are the benefits that you'll receive from this course? Well, you'll be able to relax much more deeply, to relieve stress, to feel empathy, to know the truth, to have more awareness, to focus and concentrate better. And this will likely lead to a much more happy, productive and harmonious life, which is very different for everybody depending on their nature and their needs. And what is the way this course is structured? Well, first we will go through different meditation and mindfulness techniques in guided meditations, and you'll be able to choose the most enjoyable ones for you. Then we will spend a bit of time working on Qigong, which is like energy work, which improves your vitality, your health, and your harmony with life and your humanity on your spiritual path. And it's very similar with Tonic Herbalism, which is a branch of Herbalism that only consists of the safest, most harmonious and spiritually balancing herbs. We will also have a small section on philosophy to help empower your practice. And the kind of student I am looking for is somebody who's hardworking, open-minded, and wants to learn, who is ready to learn. And please check out the free previews of the other lectures I've shared for free. Thank you.